Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to be talking about how to make money online. I mean, this is not a new topic, but I decided to come back to it again. And of course, I'm going to be talking about it as many times as possible because it's basically to help you get started. It's possible you have been watching my videos, or this is the first time you're stumbling on my video, but there are something that we have set out to do, and that is to help you make money using the power of the internet. And I see so many persons confused. You go online, there's so many adverts everywhere. People are telling you to do this, to do that, showing you all manner of things on how you can make money. And you have actually wasted money, spent some money, and you have not gotten any value. So I want to be true to you. I want to tell you the truth and to help you get started so that you don't keep making mistakes because the year is coming to an end and it's good you start the new year on a new note. Now, how can you make money online very fast? I mean, that word very fast, the very fast part of it is something that I may not want to add, but let me add it because you can actually make money online fast. But the truth is, there are several ways you can make money online. In fact, several ways. I'm just going to focus on the three ways that can make it fast and from experience, right? Now, without wasting your time, number one is affiliate marketing. And everywhere I go, this is what I say that affiliate marketing remains the easiest, the simplest, and the fastest way to make money online. Why? You don't need to have a product. Because if I say your skill and knowledge, then you may tell me, well, Emmanuel, I don't even have any skill, I don't have any knowledge. Right? So with affiliate marketing, you don't need to have any knowledge of a particular product or to have your own product. But of course, there are some things you must have also. That's where I'm going to. Because if I tell you that you don't need any knowledge or anything to actually make money with affiliate marketing, I'll be telling you lies. Right? Now, affiliate marketing, for those who don't know, it is simply selling for other people or other companies and getting a commission for your sales. That is simply what affiliate marketing is all about. So, for instance, there's a company selling a particular product. Let's say a company publishes an ebook about something, maybe about personal finance, right? And you sign up to help them sell that ebook to your audience. That means you have people who are your community, people who are interacting with you, people who you are providing some kind of value, like your community members, not your family and friends. Although your family, friends, and friends are part of it, but you must not, you know, depend on your family and friends before you can do business. But any business that is dependent on family and friends is no business at all. So you have a community, you have a people, if your followers, maybe your social media followers, maybe your YouTube subscribers, maybe your email list, people in your email list, these people are interested in something, right? Then you offer that thing, you give them the value. Then in between the value, you now tell them about the ebook. This ebook can actually help them solve the problem, maybe help them improve their personal finance. So you can see now that you don't need to have the ebook. You don't need to write the ebook. You are not the one who wrote the ebook. You are not the one who spent money, spent time to produce the ebook. The only thing you need to have is that you need to have people around you, your audience, your community, who are interested in improving their personal finance, whom you are not going to pitch this ebook to and say, well, this, it may be that you have used the ebook and it helped you, and you're not telling them, oh, this ebook helped me to improve my personal finance. If you need it, you can, this is the link. Now, if anybody from that your audience, from that your community, clicks on that your link and buys the ebook, you've earned yourself some money because the company that produced the ebook or the person that produced the ebook already promised you maybe 20% or 30%, right? 30% or 50% or even 90%. But some give as high as 90%. That's how crazy it is. That means if you sell the product, you get that amount. And it is instant. And it happens online. You don't need to go meet the person, sign anything. Once you have signed up to the affiliate program and you have been confirmed and approved, that's it. The money comes to your back end and you can withdraw it once you meet your the threshold. Some company will say you must earn up to $20 or $50 before you begin. That is how simple affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is so powerful that you can actually make money. Even as I'm talking to you, you can sign up to a program today and make money today. But that is dependent on the fact that you already have the audience. That means you already have people who are ready, who are waiting, who you have provided some kind of, who trust you, who believe you. So that when you tell them, I have used this product, or this product will be beneficial to you, they will respond. All right. So that is how simple and fast and easy affiliate marketing can be. But if there is no audience, if there's nobody you're offering any kind of value, right? You can spend the next 6 months and you don't make a dime, you don't make a single cent from affiliate marketing. In fact, some people have spent 1 year. Why? Not because they are not supposed to make money, because they are not doing the correct thing. Instead of spending time grooming and building the audience, they spend their time hopping from one platform to the other, sharing link from one place to the other. People ignore those things because people don't like being sold to. Yes, including you and I, we don't like being sold to. We like value. When we see value, we respond. So what you do is just to provide value. For instance, what I'm doing now, I'm providing you value. I'm not asking you to buy anything. And I'm not going to ask you to buy anything at the end of this video because I'm interested in providing value to you. Now, if I consistently provide this value to you, you'll come to fall in love with me, right? And you come to believe me. So if once in a while I come and tell you, well, this thing can help, this is the link, you will naturally respond. So that is affiliate marketing. It's one of the easiest way, it's one of the fastest way to make money online. If you apply, if you implement what I've just told you, you can actually make money today. All it takes is for you to find out a program, and it's not hard to find out a program that your audience will resonate with, that your audience will be interested in. You just go online, go to Google. Maybe you have an audience around maybe cooking or around exercise, fitness, or around anything, right? You just need to find an affiliate program around that niche, sign up to that program, and you're on your way to making money. You can actually make money today. So that is affiliate marketing. That's number one. Number two way you can make money very fast is your knowledge and skill. Now, this one requires that you know something, you understand something. And that thing you understand, you are able to communicate it. Now, you may say, Emmanuel, I don't know how to do video like you are doing. Or I don't even know how to do podcasts. I can't even talk to camera. I can't do anything. Okay, can you write? Can you write? If you can't talk, can you write? So if you can't talk, you can write. You can create an ebook. You can create an email course. But you must find a way to communicate that value you have to an audience so that they will pay you money. So that knowledge and skill you already have is money. Only that the people who need it are not aware. Remember, we have over 8 point something billion people alive on earth. And these 8 point something billion people, over 5 billion are online, actively online. That means people who need what you have are already waiting for you. But the only challenge is that you are not showing up. You are not showing up anyhow. There's no way you are showing up. So you have to find a way to show up so that these people will know that you have this thing. And it begins by providing value free of charge. It cannot be a simple social media platform, maybe Instagram, maybe YouTube, maybe LinkedIn, or whatever platform you choose, maybe X. By just providing them value, you can write. If you can't talk, you can write. Some people use X. So if you can't write, X is a good platform for you where you can share your thoughts via writing. You put out your thoughts. As you do that, people will congregate around what you are talking about. Some people will start loving you, they start following you, they start consuming what you have. And as they do that, you're already building a community, you're building a nation for yourself. And before you know it, you have people who will be ready. Now, you package what you have, for instance, in an ebook form, right? Or in a book form, you can author a book, right? It may not just be a simple small ebook. You can write a full-blown book, e-copy now. You can even produce a physical copy, right? All of them are ways to make money because whether you produce it in e-form and also add the physical form, some people like hard copy. I also like hard copy. I read ebooks, but I also read hard copy. So some of the people who order the copy can even say they need the hard one. So you can author a book, you can write, put your thoughts down. But the easiest way to start is through ebook, right? If you publish it, you first of all, you prompt your audience by giving them a tip from the book. And before you know it, you ask them whether they'll be willing to buy a full book on this thing you have been sharing. If one single person says yes, that means you have yourself a market. Yes, you have yourself a market. I mean, it was yesterday, right? This part of what I'm telling you is something that is awesome. I mean, the first time you get money from your book is exciting. I've been teaching for so many years, but I've never published an ebook. So this year, I started to write a book. I'm actually writing. The book is not even ready, fully ready, but I put it out to just test the market. And you know what? Somebody paid. Somebody paid for the book. So this is awesome. It's exciting. Now, what I'm telling you is something that you can go ahead and implement. I'm not trying to tell you one guru that, no, I'm not talking about being a guru. I'm just telling you what works, what I've tested that works. Is something you can implement. I'm not telling you I've made $1 million from writing book. I've not made $1 million from writing any book. In fact, the first ebook, the first money I've gotten from ebook was just yesterday. I saw it. In fact, the alert came in on 8th of October, but I didn't notice until yesterday. I just checked and saw my email that I have somebody who bought the book. That is exciting. And what I'm telling you is what you can implement. So put your thoughts together. That thing you already know. Actually, I've been making money more from video class, online course, physical class, and all that. I've been doing more of teaching people directly through online course, recorded video, and all that. I've not done books, but now I've tried it out and it's working. So if you can do video, you can do books. Put your thought down, package it in an ebook. Canva is a good tool you can use to. You don't need to pay anybody. With Canva, you can design your book cover, design the entire, put everything together and turn it to PDF, and you're ready to sell. Share it with your audience, and you're good to go. It's a game of number. The more people that buy, the more money. Remember, as you do this, don't stop giving them value. Don't stop increasing the audience. Keep doing it. And as you do that, more and more people will discover you from more countries, from more regions. And that's how you make more money. So that is how to make money online very fast. So I talk about your knowledge and skill. Now, apart from books, you can do online calls via video. That's what I've been doing for years. You can do recorded video. You can do one-on-one tutorial, one-on-one, class. You can do webinars. All these are ways you can make money. All right? If you are confused about how to do this, all you need to do is learn. Learn. If you don't have money to pay anybody to do a course, a paid course, go on YouTube and learn. It will take more time, but there are information there are knowledge there you can get for free without paying anybody anything. It's just that it's going to take you time because you're going to research, and go through so many accounts before you can find what you're looking for. The only advantage of paid course is that you are guided. There's no distraction. But if you don't have money to pay for any course, don't bother yourself. Just get started. Learn first, then start implementing. So your knowledge and skill is very powerful. Don't ignore what you know. Especially what you know that people are already telling you, this thing, and people are congregating, trying to learn from you, trying to, get this value that you have. Package this thing and sell it. You will make yourself some money. The third way to make money online very fast is the one I call sell something. When I mean sell something, I mean sell a physical product. Find a product that people need, whatever it is. Look for those who sell them in wholesale. Discuss with them, agree with them, put up an online shop, set up your social media handles, start marketing those products. Remember, the best way to sell is to offer value, not to just go ahead and start selling to strangers, because nobody buys from strangers. So first of all, build connection by creating some kind of value. You can do reviewing several products and helping people to understand what features and what features is in a particular product. That way, people are getting value from you. You can compare products, right? You can do comparison of products. You can share knowledge about features of a particular product. I see so many Instagram accounts where people share knowledge about maybe, for instance, iPhone. I know a guy who does iPhone, everything about iPhone. Whenever a new release, he tell you everything, tell you the features, tell the features and all that. You can pick a product right now, like that, right? You can pick a product and start reviewing the product and start teaching people how to use the product. Start telling people about new products. It can be new tech gadgets. It can be anything. It can be around food. It can be around anything, any product at all. If you sell something, you're going to make money. But remember, the best way to sell is through value. So these are the three fastest and easiest way to make money online. Pick one and get started. Don't say, oh, Emmanuel, I'm overwhelmed. Don't be overwhelmed again. That's why I did this video. I did this video so that you will not be overwhelmed. Remember, it's going to take a while. It may not be instant, may not be today. It may be tomorrow, maybe next tomorrow. But make sure you are doing the right thing, which is connecting with people by offering them value. People love value. I love value, you love value. And when you see value, you know, right? Nobody loves anybody to deceive them. Nobody loves anybody. Nobody wants anybody to sell to them. People just want value. And when you give them value, they will respond almost immediately. This is how to make money online very fast. I'm sure you found value in the video. If you have, remember to like and share the video. And of course, subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in another exciting video.